Come on. No fighting. Just behave yourself. Okay? That is good. Why the video is going? Okay? Just behave yourself. Okay? And all of now give it a small one. Come on, hurry up. Now don't keep running. Hey! Now don't hurt the small one, okay? Hey! Why you do that? Huh? Dab, come on. I want you to have to having don't ever hurt the small one, because if you're not behave, you never get any food from me. Okay, so you behave all of you. Okay. Carabin, don't open the one. No. You want the water? No, you just want the water. Look at the dove, the white dove. Where's all that? Don't open this water, otherwise the people that who gonna sleep on the top of the rope tonight, huh? Okay. Oh, now go over there. Come on, go there. Go over there. Come on, hurry up. Go there. I'm going. What are you trying to? You're trying to. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna the pot was there. Oh, don't open it. Why are you trying to open the water? They got the water there. Okay? Yeah, well, you got the water. Look, I put the water over there. You just drink that. Okay? That's enough. Now, what are you? You got the water there, look. What are you gonna have to? Carabin, where are you gonna sleep tonight? Over there at the top of the rope, okay? Because the bastard, the monster over there that's keep making a noise, and I don't like this. Okay? Alright, it's enough. Yeah, okay.